Hey folks, got a little tip for you. Okay, if your wiper blades are not wiping as good as they should, especially if it's fairly new, less than a year old, take a nice Kleenex tissue, paper towel, something that's clean. Okay, don't use the tissue with the lotion. You don't want that. Look what I found on that wiper blade on the driver's side when you wipe it. See that? That's all dirt. So what you want to do is you want to just lift up the blade and give it a nice wipe underneath. Do a couple times. Listen, just go back and forth. Okay, it'd be easier if I had the other hand up. Listen, just go back and forth. Look at the crap that's in it. See it? Move it to another spot. Same thing. Okay? Look at the dirt that comes off of it. Okay? That's what's smudging on your windshield and giving you a crappy wiper blade. Okay? Give it a nice little pinch, around the rubber. Go back and forth, and it will come out clean. And you have another surface for a little bit longer. All right? That's it. That's my nice little tip for you. Wiper blade 101. Ciao. Thanks for watching.